Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. Using the Microsoft account that pays for Microsoft 365. This is essential because cancellations attach to the account owner. Once signed in, go straight to Services and Subscriptions. That page lists active plans and billing dates, which you'll need to confirm to avoid mid-cycle confusion. Make sure the browser shows the correct account. If not, sign out and sign back in. Doing this prevents canceling the wrong subscription and losing access unintentionally. Once on Services and Subscriptions, scan the list and identify the Microsoft 365 entry you intend to cancel, because families or business seats can coexist. Click Manage to reveal renewal settings. This is where you disable recurring billing or request a refund if eligible. You'll see options like turn off recurring billing and cancel subscription. Pick the one that fits your timing. Read the on-screen details so you understand remaining access time and whether files or email will be impacted after. Confirm the cancellation choices and complete the final prompts. The system will tell you the exact date your access ends and whether you keep services until that date. Make sure you receive the confirmation email and save it along with any refund details. If the cancel button fails or status doesn't update, clear your browser cache and try again or use a different browser. If that still fails, contact Microsoft support with your invoice number and account email for faster resolution. This fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.